share with us, he was not a child, at the time of arrest of the accused person, we called with him a phone, met Redmi, which could not establish the owner, and we drafted the inventory of 3051.
That's all.
That's all, man.
What about the yeah, that's a lot for this one.
Mr. Senator, on the real date of 8th of March.
Yes.
On the real date of 8th of March.
Yes.
You are 4 disabled police officers.
Yes.
You are 4 disabled police officers.
Yes.
And you arrested me.
When?
On 8th.
What? It was on 8, yes. It was on 9 July.
You said 8th.
No, 8 is the date it was reported.
On that particular date, did you arrest me of these alleged lost items?
Yes.
Any of them?
Yes.
On that particular date,
Yes.
did you arrest me with these alleged?
No.
You didn't.
Yes.
You didn't.
We did.
You said that I stole a golden ring. Not you, but the complainant. I stole golden ring, iPhone Pro Max, and the other phone is Sony Xperia, and some amount of money, 650,000, I transferred. If I may ask, did you further go on to investigate, because you are the investigation officer, did you further went on to investigate who this Caleb Odhiambo was, because you have my ID there, my identity there. You took my ID.
I tell you.
No, you took my ID. I had my ID, original, and the photocopy, but you remained young.
I gave you your ID.
So, did you went further to investigate who this Caleb Onyango was, because you had my ID there, and I'm Michael Owuor. I am Michael Owuor.
Yes.
So, did you went further to investigate who is this Caleb Onyango up to right now?
No, you are not. Their number has been switched off.
Has been switched off.
Yes.
So, you don't know who is Caleb Onyango is?
You don't know.
Am I Caleb Onyango?
You are not.
I'm Michael Owuor.
Yes.
Okay. You said that I gave this Sony Xperia phone to a juvenile.
Yes.
Where is this juvenile?
Later, you took us to his home in Keveria village within Tamori.
How can you know? How can you prove this court that we went there with you and this Mary Owuor gave you this Sony Xperia that I gave you? You claim that I gave you.
Yes, when you recorded a statement, even though right now it cannot be found. I don't know, maybe it's your relative, but you recorded a statement.
How can you know this is my relative?
Their statement is in the file.
How do you work? I know you should represent, if you claim that I gave you phone.
Yes.
You should represent this person that has the item in the court to push you state the statement to your honor.
Your honor should be presented. But even though he has relocated from their home,
Last time
it was your effort to relocate.
Last time you said that the advocate said that he came and recorded a statement on the court of the mark there.
Where?
I've never seen this lady by the name Miriam Yango. I've never seen him. But you recorded that she's a...
she was your cousin, the one who gave us her number?
She's my...
You said that she was your cousin. And you are the one who gave her...
No,
you gave us
Mary changed. I said this is my cousin.
Jane, Gabriel.
I'm talking about Mary Yango. We have not
the juvenile one. You are the one who took us to a home.
So, how can you prove this? I took you to Mary Chieng, and
I was there, Your Honor.
Who is this Mary Chieng? Why is this Mary Chieng?
I was there.
Why is this Mary Chieng? You are there, yes.
She has the statement. You can bring that to the court. You can find that.
Bring it to court, please. Because I don't know this Mary Chieng.
Yes.
Another question, Mr. Ekwai. You said that I gave the other iPhone to Jane.
Yes.
Which you said that I said that she was my cousin.
Yes.
Why is this Jane?
She read a statement while at Bungoma. You have someone in, but she has also switched off her phone. No.
How do you guys work? I thought if phones, you should be tracking phones. Going if you found out that I gave it him, why could you come with him here to represent that, to show court, prove court that this is me and Mike gave me the phone or said
she went to this phone where she delivered a statement, and she was to come and testify. Where is she now? You are also going to find her. She must testify, Your Honor.
So, and you said that I stole a golden ring worth 750,000.
It was by the complainant.
Complainant, but you were investigating.
Yes.
Did you find this golden ring?
Yes.
Did you find it?
We never.
You never?
Yes.
But you found 2 phones?
Yes.
With whom?
The people whom we did that.
The people whom I did.
And I've told the person.
I didn't did it to anyone.
Yes.
I did not because I didn't know anything about this case. In fact, when you arrested me, you guys took me to Karura Forest and you beat me thoroughly, if you can remember.
No way.
No, and you took my phone, you took even my password there. That my phone even right now, it doesn't have password. Is it true? Can we open it right now?
It is switched off by then. You cannot open the phone.
But like, you took me to Karura Forest, you said that the complainant paid you to go and bring this golden ring. In fact, you did this golden ring. You did this golden ring. I'm not lying.
You could have stated the first date with the date you were brought to court here. On the first day. The
owner was not here. It was Ben Mark that we started this case.
But is it you find the owner?
Yeah, this is my owner. And I'm telling him.
You are lying to the court.
I'm not lying to the court. You are the one lying to the court. I'm telling what you told me and what you did to me.
No, you are.
That is my phone.
Yes, you have your phone.
Tell my phone.
Yes.
Is my phone as a password? Kuna password size?
We don't know.
You don't know?
It is switched off.
No.
The moment
you guys beat me at Karura Forest and took my password. By the time I don't know, mnafanya investigation or whatever, you took everything and you found with that only my phone.
Yes.
And all these things that you're claiming that I took, you found them to different people. Found with different people. And these people, I'm telling you to represent them to court to prove that I gave them, I sold these things to them. Why can't you bring this? Why are you
going to bring them? Unless you have supported the court, because the lady from Bungoma, she has switched off the phone, but you are going to trace her and arrest her. We are going to pay for the summons to the court.
Your
For that defense,
Your Honor, I'm requesting you, please give Mr. Kwai, because he's my investigating officer, to go and get these people, because
Apart from finish with the cross-examination, then you say it to me.
Okay. So, Mr. Kikoi,
yes,
the complainant said that I transferred 65,000 to M-Pesa number 0. To the number, at the number 0106367162.
Yes.
So, have you gone forward to notify this at now? Because the other time you told me you went to Safaricom house to check in the system. but you never gave because you were in the other court, you never gave an evidence that this person took this Kalibonyango. So what I should know, who is this Kalibonyango that transferred this
I
money?
told you that number is an Airtel number. It was switched off 3 months ago after we arrested. It had been switched off 3 months ago.
So you don't know this person,
Yes,
and this person is not me, right?
it's not true.
Thank you. Your Honor, arrest me, please.
If I have no questions for the exam, for this witness. Then I do have an application to make for the 2 mobile phones that have been produced. That is the iPhone Pro 12 and the Sony Xperia. Be released to the complainant to John also pray for an adjournment in another hearing, and I pray for summons to issue to Jane Gabriel Atienz. That is all.
If you understood the application, they say that you wish to have the Sony Xperia and the iPhone released back to the complainant. You have an objection to that,
Yes, Your Honor.
which is, unless you're claiming they're yours.
Yes, they can't. It would be fair because he took my phone too, right?
No, I'm not talking about your phone.
Yes.
I'm talking about the complainant's phone. The only way you can object is telling me that they're yours. Is the iPhone yours or the Sony Xperia?
They are not yours. I don't know that. Just give me a minute.
Sorry, so this mobile phone is another case. For this case.
No, you have not produced it,
Yes.
so it's not an exhibit in this case.
Does it have another case?
No, no, no.
so we can have the assumed granted the institution. We have the further hearing on the 23rd of June 2026. We can also have someone to issue to James Gabriela Aseno to attend court on that date. We can have the Sony Xperia phone and the iPhone that have been produced as S1 and 2 released back to the complainant. And we can also have the accused person's very new phone, which is not an in this case, released back to him.
Thank you. Thank you.